Neville Goddard emphasized thoughts, imagination, and assumptions, and he explained in detail through his teachings how important thoughts are and how they affect our lives. It's important for you to know the role thoughts play in our lives because if you don't use them wisely, they may ruin your life. So in today's video, I'm going to explain to you how you can invest your thoughts to manifest the life you want. Before we start this video, I want you to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you can benefit from quality content on the law of assumption and Neville Goddard's teachings. Let's now get started with Neville Goddard's quote, "Every moment of time, I'm either spending or investing." Unfortunately, most of us spend the coin of heaven, and morning, noon, and night we live in negative states for which there's no return, when we could easily not have spent, but invested that moment, so at the end of the day we really would have a wonderful portfolio. Here he isn't talking about financial investment, he is talking about investing in thoughts. Well, you see, when you invest somewhere in finances, you get some return on it. So what you are investing in right now will be received tomorrow. Exactly the same thing happens to you when you invest in your thoughts. Your thoughts that you have today generate your reality tomorrow, just like the return on the investment. Our thoughts create our state and our reality. If I spend my thoughts on something negative or undesirable or something bad, I will experience something bad in my life, because our life is a reflection of our thoughts, so we must be aware of our thoughts. We must often check our thoughts, day to day, hour to hour, and minute to minute. If you leave your thoughts unchecked, you will unknowingly manifest something bad unknowingly. You know, we can't check each of our thoughts, and apparently, it is impossible to check or control them. Experts say that a normal person has 70,000 thoughts each day. Based on that, we are almost unable to control our thoughts. The fact is that we can simply learn to think what we should think. This is the easiest way to control your thoughts and put a check on them. We can control our main thoughts and our daily thought patterns, because actually what we think most of the time has a significant impact on our overall life, and the effect of what we think is almost negligible. Our frequent thoughts, our most common and usual thoughts, actually create our life and the way we live. Our main thoughts and their patterns affect our lives the most. Well, at first it won't feel natural or even comfortable to change your thoughts because if your life has been filled with unchecked, wild negative thoughts of fears and doubts, thinking positive thoughts will feel strange and a little difficult at first. However, if you want to change and transform your life, it's absolutely essential. In fact, most of us are addicted to thinking negatively. We have been thinking negatively for years, and now it seems difficult to stop thinking that way. Some thoughts have become our firm beliefs. They have become our nature, and so we are addicted to them. We can't detach ourselves from those negative thoughts. We can't get something different from those same thoughts. You know, it's a famous saying, if you keep on doing the same, you will keep on getting the same. So if you want to experience something different, you will have to have different thoughts. If you want to experience a different reality, you must think differently. That's the only way to live the life you want. Albert Einstein, as you know, has been a great scientist. He said that the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. So if you are thinking the same, you will keep manifesting the same. If you have been thinking negatively, you will keep manifesting the bad experiences and bad people in your life. If you do not replace the negative thoughts with positive ones, you will keep on suffering. So if you want to manifest a desired reality, you must have the thoughts that will assist you in manifesting the desired reality. The quality of your life at the moment is evidence that you have been thinking in a specific way for most of your life. They will always match up. But you have to start thinking differently if you want your life experience to be different. If you don't like the reality that you have right now, if you don't like the quality of your life, if you want to manifest more money, if you want to have a job, or even if you want to change the way you behave towards people or react to situations, just change your thoughts. Learn to change your thoughts. If you can learn to change your thoughts, you will be able to change everything. Let's say, if you don't like something and you want to change it, the first thing you have got to do is to check the thoughts you have about that particular thing. Fix your thoughts and the thing you want to fix will get fixed. The problem is that all the problems start within our heads and must be solved there. You can't change everything in this world, so you'd better change your thoughts. You can't change the whole world, so you'd better change your thoughts and accept it as it is. Many people, even in the manifesting community, know the importance of thoughts and believe that the realities of life originate from thoughts. But they still experience a bad life. They are still struggling to manifest the desired life. It is because they don't know how to control their thoughts. They have been addicted to thinking negatively, and now they are unable to experience the things they desire. The first step to manifesting your desire, no matter what it is to agree with it in your thoughts. Your mental diet is made up of the recurring thoughts that you have on a daily basis and which in turn create your life. According to Neville Goddard, we are always investing our thoughts to create our future. We are always manifesting using our thoughts. However, each time you make an effort to manage your thoughts, alter them, or switch from one negative to a good one, you are making investments into your new portfolio. If we only take the time to notice our thoughts and develop the habit of guiding them in the direction we want to go, as Neville advises, we will ultimately have a great portfolio. If you have a low self-concept, it means that what you think about yourself and what you believe others think about you comes from a place of lowliness. And in that case, you will feel as if you are unable to do a particular thing. You will feel rejected, small, unable, not knowing, inadequate, not deserving, and disappointed. You are not ugly, you are beautiful, and you deserve to live a happy life. You think negatively about yourself because you have a low self-concept because of your thoughts. There is something that actually made you feel this way, and that is your thoughts. You have been thinking negatively for many years. You have been considering yourself undeserving for years. You have been underestimating yourself, and that's now you can't believe in yourself. You think that you are powerless. But believe me, you are more powerful than you think. Now what's the remedy to cure the negative thoughts? How can you get rid of negative thoughts? Start observing them, and if you find some negative thoughts, don't think them. Here's what Neville Goddard says. But every moment of time you can have the most marvelous portfolio, and if they pass a dividend, it doesn't matter. Devote every moment of your time to positive thinking, constructive thinking, by not accepting any rumor that doesn't contribute to the fulfillment of your desire. No matter what it is, it could be the most obvious fact in the world. If it doesn't contribute to the fulfillment of your dreams, don't accept it. Well, you know, no permanent and significant results happen overnight. Even if you fail, it doesn't happen overnight. You failed because of your permanent negative thoughts and manifested them unknowingly. Your thoughts have generated the reality that you are experiencing right now, and your reality right now is a result of thoughts from years ago. Some thoughts are as old as you are, so it will surely take time to get rid of them. It is going to take some effort and time to notice, observe, and eliminate all of these unwanted and negative thoughts. They have shaped the life that you are living, and they will continue to affect your life unless you eliminate them. But it can never be the other way around. You can't expect to experience positive results through the same thinking patterns and belief systems that brought about the unwanted in your life. If you want your life to reflect such changes, you must first modify your thought patterns. Now I'm going to teach you how you can change your thoughts. Here are some simple steps. First, observe and notice your negative thoughts and write them down on a piece of paper. Now after doing that, take another piece of paper and write the thoughts exactly opposite to your negative thoughts. For example, if your negative thought is I'm unable to get the amount of money I want, write a new thought opposite to that, such as I am able to manifest the money I want. Now after writing both positive and negative thoughts, take the piece of paper with the negative thoughts and burn it. It is a psychological symbol that you have eliminated the negativity. After burning the negative thoughts, take the list of positive thoughts and prepare affirmations based on these positive thoughts. Repeat the positive affirmations you have created each day until they replace the negative thoughts you have. Do this each day and it will surely change your belief system. Believe me, this is the most effective way to change the belief system. This is actually a secret way of getting rid of negative thoughts. Many people who have used this technique have manifested the life they desired simply by changing the way they thought. With this simple and easy technique, you will be able to change the pattern of your thoughts and you will surely manifest a different and beautiful life. You will experience a shift in the world you live in. This is the only way to experience the desired reality. You only experience life based on your thoughts and imagination. So start seeing the world with a different perspective, and you will see that things appear differently. No matter what you think or imagine, it has some impact on your overall reality. You know, our thoughts become our actions. We make decisions based on our thoughts, and that's how they create our reality. A different life is waiting for you. A different reality awaits you, but you have to decide what you want to experience. Everything is done. Everything has happened. You just have to decide what you want to experience. So decide wisely. Choose only those thoughts that are better for you and your life. Now, before we finish the video, let's hear two of the most powerful Neville Goddard quotes. Neville said, "Stop trying to change the world since it is only the mirror. Man's attempt to change the world by force is as fruitless as breaking a mirror in the hope of changing his face. Leave the mirror and change your face. Leave the world alone and change your conceptions of yourself. The reflection then will be satisfactory. Neville said also, with your desire defined, quietly go within and shut the door behind you. Lose yourself in your desire, feel yourself to be one with it. Remain in this fixation until you have absorbed the life and name by claiming and feeling yourself to be and to have that which you desired. When you emerge from the hour of prayer, you must do so conscious of being and possessing that which you heretofore desired. So that's all that I've got for you today. If you have learned something good from this video, then share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.